In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert inches to centimeters in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First is you just need to open your Microsoft Excel, okay? And I have prepared this example for you, so let's get started. Just move the or select the cell that corresponds to the number that you are going to convert. Then simply type equals and then convert, C-O-N-V, okay? Let me do it again. Equals, convert, and then open parentheses, and then select it, and then simply type, comma, okay? And then open quotation mark. Then next is you need to type IN, and then close quotation mark as you can see from here at the formula bar. And then simply type, comma again, okay? And then open quotation mark CM, and then close quotation mark, and then close parenthesis, okay? And then hit enter, okay? So that's it. Now let's try for the second one. Simply type equals, convert, open parenthesis, and then select the cell, and then comma, okay? And then open quotation mark, type IN, close quotation mark, comma, open quotation mark, CM, close quotation mark, close parenthesis, and hit enter. Okay, so that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.